Hello friends, in this video we are going to see entirely about variable, what is variable, its types and how to declare a variable and its rules. So first of all, what is an variable? Variable is a named storage location. Don't get confused, I will explain in real time example to understand what is variable. For example, you are buying a cake to your friend. What will you do? You should store the cake until you deliver it to your friend. So for storage purpose, you would use a refrigerator, for example. Yeah. Then what would you do? You open the refrigerator and put the cake. So here cake act as data. Fridge act as variables. In variable, you are storing a data. Now, what is data type? If, for example, you are storing a cake, you want to store in a coolest variable, coolest product. For example, if you are storing cake in microwave oven, what happens? The cake gets entirely melts and yet no use of it, and you can't use it further. So you would prefer to keep cake in your fridge. So that is the use of data type. Data type means what type of variable you are using. Variable means what you a container. Data type means what you are actually going to do with that. For example, you are taking cake that like I will explain now. Now you got a clear idea about what is variables. Now next to move on, how to declare a variable. Variable can be declared in two different ways. Here variable declaration consists of two main parts, initialization and declaration. First you want to initialize an variable and you can declare it later or inside the initialize part also. In first step you are initializing and directly declaring initialization part. Next for next variable you are initializing and then declaring. So these two method are correct. But mm, we should not declare first and then initialize. For example, C equal to 40 in the C. This is wrong method. So don't use it. So prefer these two methods only. So next we see the types of variable. There are five types of variable. Here we majorly we use only three types of variable one. Majorly we are going to see about three types of variable. And further variable we don't need so much. So we are skipping now and we can see it later videos. Now let us see types of variable. Types local variable, global variable, static variable, and there are external variable and one more. So we don't see now because these three are now mainly we will focus. Later videos we can focus about that. Now what is local, global, static? I will provide with an example so you can understand it clearly. Here we are declaring global and local variable. Global means we should declare above at the starting of the program. For example, you are declaring header file and we are declaring integer a equal to 10. Here a equal to 10 works entirely throughout the program. For example, if we give a equal to 10 here also it will work. Here also it will work. At last also it will work. Same time, if you are declaring a local variable above part, for example, int c is local variable because the c belongs to only for loop only. It doesn't belongs to here. So scope we say generally as scope of variable. Where is the variable is declared means that from that position up to end it will work. For example, here in for loop we have declared int c and we have closed its body. Then the c loop will work at this position only. Here a is not like that. We have A declared A at top of the position and it belongs to the entire program. So for a better understanding, I will run this program. Yes, when I run this output for example, here C equal to C plus 1, C sorry, 1 plus I. The loop continues and goes on to put looping concept. I will explain in further videos. Just now, the output, what will come, I say now, I will explain in further videos. Here, the output will print as 1 to 10 for C. In A, it will print as 10. Now, I am going to run this. The output of the program 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. C value is printed and A value is 10, that like printer. Now I going to print variable value of variable inside the C in outer of the loop. Then we see what it happens. Now I have declared, I am going to run now. The compiler is showing error. Use of undeclared identifier. So we have declared in for loop only. We have not declared at entire program. So it only executes in the block which it is placed. Now let us see rules to name a variable. Variable can't start with numeric values. For example, if you are writing 1 to Syed, it will not accept. It will show an error. And it can start with alphanumeric value. What is alphanumeric means? Combination of alphabets and numeric values. But in alphanumeric, alphabet must be present at the beginning. Numeric values should not be present at beginning. You can write as Syed 1, 2, 3, any variable, any number that like. And a special character is allowed, which means underscore. You can use underscore anywhere. For example, you can use in beginning, middle, end, which position do you like. So at last part, I will ask you a one question. Try to find what is camel case, Pascal case, snake case. Because this case are allowed in C programming and it is not much deeper or a critical thing. You search in ChatGPT or any Google or any other things, you can answer in comment. So if you have any doubt or suggestion, comment please. If you like the video, please give like button and share to your friends. They can also understand about C language and any suggestion are most welcome. Thank you for watching.